Good morning. I just turned on live too as well. I'm charging up. This is not that bad. This is their beer out here. Not that bad. But anyway, we're about to go out. Last night, we didn't end up going out. We were supposed to, but literally everybody was so tired. So I started editing and I ended up falling asleep in the chair. So it's fine. And one video is uploaded so far. It's gonna be uploaded, scheduled to upload today at I think at 2. So we're gonna go out, explore. Cause literally today's a free day. We leave tomorrow morning. So yeah, it's gonna be just a real chill day of shopping and all that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. I don't know, but I'm gonna wear this purse today. Something different. Where we're at, it is small, so there's only one bedroom, so this is my room. So we're about to just get dressed real quick. I'm not gonna do any makeup or anything, but this is the guys, you have to move y'all because I got it all.
Every freaking day I wanna touch your body in every freaking way. Every freaking.
This is cute. So it's a smell in here. It's because of they call it the sarcasm. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and it's basically, it smells in like every room. So I'm gonna turn on the AC real quick. I'm really out of breath. Hold up. All right. So like I said, I'm not gonna wear any makeup. I'm gonna put some clip-ins in because I feel confident with clip-ins. But first, put some deodorant on.
Only sign in the game, we the new Lucian Grange, bring on the rings, a MJ thing.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
Alright, well, look at my, come on, I'm hungry.
Alright, hold on. Alright. I saw him put him out.
What happened?
I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, that's everything. I didn't order
Oh,
it.
it's ginger ale. Okay.
It's called, I didn't know she was.
In the refrigerator?
No Sprites in there.
Okay.
There it goes. You want beer?
I'll call beer in here too. Thank you. Excuse me. Dang, y'all got everything in here. I'm on vacation, so I'm gonna take a beer. You have a bottle opener here? Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Oh, thank you. You had fun for your birthday?
Yeah. It was tired last night.
I know. I heard it was not even fun.
Oh, they went to the same spot?
No, they went somewhere else.
Really?
And they said they was only there for an hour. I said, oh, that's good then.
Right.
I didn't miss
So
nothing.
you didn't miss nothing.
Right.
Why did they go back to Allure?
Exactly. That's where I wanted to go, but it's fine. I just edited some vlogs, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Whew.
Yeah, we have enough space.
For everybody?
Yeah. I get it all the time. It hurts so bad. Besides it, but you gotta apply the pressure. It don't hurt. But it helps.
To go get something to eat. I'm on vacation, so.
We all are.
Alright guys, we're leaving our spot and we're gonna get something to eat. I'm in my little, it's no seatbelt, y'all. It's no seatbelt here. Oh. We'll put it in. Oh, it's okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Girl, don't let that girl fall out of there.
Right, she got it. Alright, we off, y'all. I got my beer right here.
Elder abuse. Oh shit. 140 meters. Look at the one on the steps. That little shit. Oh. 70 meters. Slide right.
Oh, is that the slide right here?
Oh, around the thing? I guess so. Slide right. Is this right? I don't know. Where's your right? I guess so. Then you gonna turn left on the black side. Are there any tables outside? No. They're going. They're taking their legs to go.
Okay.
Taking theirs to go to the bar. Okay.
Fried jacks, and we have the vegetarian breakfast. The classic is one big fried jack folded in half with beans and cheese, and those are your option that if you want to stuff it inside, or you could get it on the side. That's the Belizean breakfast. You could choose your side of eggs. We have the Belizean purge pack, that's with scrambled eggs, tomatoes, and onions. And we have the huevos rancheros, that's hard eggs with tomatoes, onion, tomato sauce, cheese, sour cream, and jalapeno.
I saw that too. That looked good. So I don't know if it's the pizza or the taco.
So everything goes on.
You like the burger? Ooh, you get iced coffee? No.
Okay, so we ordered our food over here, but then we decided to get some coffee because you guys know I'm a Starbucks girl. So we trying this new spot here. I love it.
You take cards or is it only cash? You take cards. This is the new quaint little cute.
It's a thing. Nice little coffee shop. Yeah, it's really beautiful out here.
Sugar. Some sugar.
Yeah.
That's how we want things.
Fantastic.
Let's go kill this.
Oh, I definitely need sugar. Oh my god.
Yes, you got sugar still there. Did it work? Oh, okay, cool. They was just like, get you wrong. That looks good, mama. That's exactly what it tastes. That's all it is. That's burger. What you get? No tomato. What is it? I mean, okay, tomato and onion, but it's okay. Oh, that's the burger? That's all it is. Take a picture. She's gonna put them in the group.
Alright, so the food was good here. It's called fried jack. So we ordered some jerk chicken to go. It's only $4 American. Yeah.
You can't have one thing and then something else. Oh, how much is American?
It's half of it. Half of it.
So it's $3, right?
No, wait.
What do you do with it?
It's like for sunglasses.
Alright, yeah. She spent over $150 here.
That's it.
I don't understand. Girl, y'all, I'm making friends out here. That girl was really pretty.
Okay, and then that little knob right there.
Oh.
Oh, that's your little trunk.
Alright. A little trunk in here. But y'all got the girls' information.
You want those souvenirs, mommy?
Who, me?
No. You want to put something in the trunk?
No.
She was here before?
Me?
Huh?
Oh. When?
The island.
No. You look island? No, never been here.
First time?
Yes. Look at your new baby daddy.
Beautiful. Ladies, chocolate flavor with caramel comes from.
Hey,
She just like chocolate.
Alright, y'all. So I'm in this mall at it's hot as hell. But it costs $1 to use the bathroom. This is Jagger. You remember I told you guys last time I think it was yesterday I vlogged that I was gonna go here but it was closed. American was unalive. Nah, it was a straight bullet, they said.
They were shooting, but straight bullet.
This is nice though. It look like colors and all that.
Right. I love that.
Oh, it's hot, y'all. On to their grocery store. This is.
Yeah, I thought this was a.
Oh, excuse me, children. It's big. Oh, y'all want souvenirs? Yeah.
I just thought that's what they have that we can look at.
Mom, you want some ice cream?
No, I'm sorry, son. Jumping up and down.
Right.
It's gonna spill right in my face.
It sure will.
It's just a nice thing of water. Yeah.
They got Red Bull, sugar free.
Sugar free?
Oh, so the store is huge. They got everything we got, y'all. I think she. Shit, I don't even know how to open this. I like sugar free drinks. Sugar free. And we're out.
See how this ignore her?
This is what we do every day.
This is every day. Why are kids always trying to tell us?
But to do, I feel like
swear she thinks she's my mama.
the roles change when you get older.
Let me tell you, my son made my funny money.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I keep getting them. That's all right.
Are you Belizean?
You know what? The last
So-so.
time. Oh, you know
So? What's that? You from Lebanon? See, another guy who owns the buildings over, he's from there too. Y'all taking it over.
I love it. When we have the party tonight, we can just give all the change as tips.
I think you don't think that's rude? Giving change?
Got a bottle box.
Who?
Got a bottle so you can pop. Oh, no, they didn't.
Alright, I'm in the front seat now.
I want to try to come off this way, so all I got to do is go straight. Oh.
So now we with like the residents.
Yeah. The local.
The locals. Dirty martini.
Cafe Tequileria. That sounds more Spanish than Belize.
Their apartment buildings.
About, I wasn't paying attention. Sorry, y'all. Here's the Victoria House. Ooh, look at that.
That's pretty.
That's pretty.
How much they rent is over here?
That's still too many trees for me though. You know, they ain't gonna tell us the fuck coming out of there.
Right.
Snakes, the lions, fire, and the bears. Oh my.
Whew, guys, look at my face. All right, so we back at. So we back at our room. I put my hair up because it is so hot. People are planning on to the pool and just relaxing. Oh, let me turn back because the light is bad. So that's what we're gonna do, just chill. We have a chef coming around 5 for dinner. So until then, I am about to. What am I about to do? I'm still going live, y'all. We're going live. Let me just set the camera up so you guys can see the full effect out here. They pull it up.
You should do pictures of you walking on.
Wait till I change, because I am not. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. So this is on the 3rd floor.
This is a rooftop.
Our rooftop. Whew. It's pretty, but the sarcasm is ugly.
It's a beautiful view.
So this is where we're gonna be eating tonight.
So we have a bar. And we have. I don't know where you're gonna set up. This is where we need to do our party. And then that's into the party.
I don't feel like it right now. I don't feel like it. Look at her. I know you're not asleep. she sleep on vacation, y'all.
Girl, you do damage to me.
I'm partying with my aunties. Went anywhere. This is Journey, y'all. Now let the party. Singing a song to disappear. I travel the world in the 7 seas. Hey, get it!